X money is here, but is it already replacing your bank? 2 months ago, Elon Musk quietly launched X money in the United States. At first, most people ignored it. Today, it's expanding, creators are getting paid through it, premium subscribers are gaining access, and some analysts are asking an uncomfortable question. Is this the beginning of the end for traditional banking? Today, we'll look at what X money can actually do, what's still missing, why regulators are watching it closely, and why this could become one of the biggest financial stories of the decade. Welcome back to Mindful Minds and Money, where we turn today's headlines into tomorrow's opportunities. Every day we cut through the noise to help you understand what's really driving the economy, financial markets, technology, and the world around us, so you can make better, more informed decisions. This channel provides educational commentary and analysis of publicly available economic and financial news. The presenter you see is an AI-generated avatar used to narrate our original research and scripts. Nothing in this video should be considered financial, legal, or investment advice. Please do your own research before making financial decisions. Now let's dive into today's story. The dream Elon Musk has had for over 25 years. Most people think X money started recently. It didn't. In fact, Elon Musk has been chasing this idea since the late 1990s. Many people forget that Musk was one of the founders of X.com, the online bank that eventually became part of PayPal. Even after selling PayPal, he repeatedly said he wanted to build something much bigger. Not just another payment app, an everything app. One place where people could chat, post videos, buy products, pay bills, invest, receive salaries, tip creators, eventually manage much of their financial life. Now, after years of promises, that vision is finally starting to become reality. What has actually been released? Despite the excitement online, X money is not yet a complete digital bank. The rollout has been gradual, beginning with early access before expanding to more users, rather than launching to everyone at once. Current features include sending money between X users, linking bank accounts, receiving direct deposits, a Visa-powered debit card, cashback rewards, creator payouts deposited directly into X money. These features position it as a direct competitor to Venmo, Cash App, and PayPal rather than a full-service bank. Why this matters? Think about how many financial apps people already use. One app for messaging, another for payments, another for investing, another for banking, another for shopping. Musk wants to combine all of these into one ecosystem. The longer you stay inside X, the more valuable the platform becomes. It's exactly the same strategy used successfully by WeChat in China. But there are big differences. Many people expected X money to launch with Bitcoin, or Dogecoin, or cryptocurrencies. That hasn't happened, at least not yet. The current version focuses on traditional, regulated payments through banking partners and Visa, with no official crypto support announced. That surprised many investors, but it also makes regulatory approval much easier. Why banks may be paying attention. If X succeeds, banks don't necessarily lose customers overnight, but they could lose something extremely valuable. Daily interaction. Today, people often open their banking app once or twice a week. Many people open X dozens of times every day. If payments happen inside the same app where people already spend hours, banks slowly become invisible, and invisible businesses often become replaceable. Regulators are watching closely. Whenever a technology company starts handling money, governments pay attention. U.S. lawmakers have already requested additional information about the rollout, reflecting broader questions around compliance, consumer protection, and financial oversight. Money is one of the most heavily regulated industries on Earth. That means X money's growth will probably be slower than many enthusiasts expected. Could this become bigger than PayPal? Maybe, maybe not. Remember, PayPal focused almost entirely on payments. X wants something much larger. Social media, messaging, video, artificial intelligence, shopping, creator economy, payments, potentially investments in the future. Each additional service increases the value of the whole ecosystem. That's called the network effect. The more services people use, the harder it becomes to leave. My thoughts. I don't believe X money will replace banks overnight, but I also don't think traditional banks can ignore what's happening. History shows that banking evolves slowly, until suddenly it doesn't. Online banking sounded strange once. Mobile banking sounded risky. Digital wallets seemed unnecessary. Now they're normal. Whether X money becomes the next PayPal or simply another payment app will depend on user adoption, regulation, security, and whether X can earn people's trust. The technology alone isn't enough. Trust is the real currency. The question isn't whether payments are becoming digital. That already happened. The real question is, who will own the digital wallet you use every day? Will it still be your bank, Apple, Google, PayPal, or could it eventually be X? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Would you trust Elon Musk with your everyday banking? Tell me in the comments below. If you enjoyed today's analysis, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest videos. Thank you for watching Mindful Minds and Money, where we turn today's headlines into tomorrow's opportunities. We personally research, write, and review every video published on this channel. If you enjoy clear explanations of the economy and financial markets, please subscribe. Until next time, stay informed, stay curious, and keep building your financial future.